In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the best avocado cucumber salad. This tastes absolutely delicious. If you make this salad, you're going to make it every single time. This healthy salad is simple to make with a light and delicious dressing. It is also super easy to your own personal taste preference. So let's jump right in. To start, you will need fresh tomatoes, but you can also use the cherry tomatoes, okay? I'm using about 2 medium size. So I'm going to go ahead to cut them into quarters, then place them into a large mixing bowl. I'd like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for your support. God bless you. Then I'm going to go ahead to dice up some English cucumber. However, if you don't have it, you can use 2 regular cucumber. English cucumber just have a thinner skin and a slightly more mild flavor, so they are very great for salad, and also they are quite a bit longer, so it's either 1 English cucumber or 2 regular. Next, you want to thinly slice either 1 small red onion or half of the large ones. So you can dice it up if you want to hide the onions a little bit more. Don't worry, we'll get to the avocado, okay? Because it is the star of the show. But I like to cut it up last so that it doesn't end up turning brown. So we'll go ahead to mint some basil, but you can also use cilantro or parsley. This is about 2 tablespoons, but you can add more if you want. So I'm going to go ahead to slice around the avocado lengthwise. Then I'm going to open it up and carefully remove the pits. If today is your first time stopping by, you are welcome. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And trust me, you're going to love it here. We'll then slice them in a half lengthwise again and then gently remove the peel. It should come right off. We'll slice it again, then dice them into little bite-sized pieces. And of course, we will add oil in. Next is to make our dressing. So I'm going to squeeze a lemon. We'll be using 3 tablespoons total, then set it aside. To a small bowl, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons olive oil. We'll pour in 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, half teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then mix all together. And of course, you can always adjust the salt to your taste. Then immediately pour it over the avocado salad. And the acidity from the vinegar and lemon will keep the avocado from turning brown. So all we have to do now is to just mix everything together and we will be ready to enjoy this deliciousness. And you don't want to overmix it, okay? Because of the avocado. So I had toasted bread, okay, and decided to add it to it. But you can also add in your croutons. This salad came out so perfect and it was so good. And of course, you can enjoy it on its own or serve it as a side dish. So friends, if you want the measurements and the ingredients, I've listed everything in the description box. So please do check it out. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way with another amazing recipe, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.